Still waiting for. Okay, how many now? 4. And I want to just teach this strategy called BMS and change of character stuff like that. You can use it to just sharp and make some cash from it. So go to your chart, take note of the trend. Wow. Value. Lower high. Lower low. Lower high. Lower low. Lower high. Lower low. Now, okay. So, can you hear me now? If you can hear me, just respond sharp so that we just continue.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, can hear you.
Okay. So, I want to just follow me. Let me just show you guys this. I think I'll change the color of this. So let's say blue. Let's say blue. So okay, let me just put at the lower low. This one now is not high. This one is still lower low. So this one now is not higher low. Then this one now. See, market structure is the main thing. Once you can know market structure, higher low. Just like that. Let me change this color to blue. So So can you see what I'm doing? So here is lower high, like I said, and I want to change the line because it's another subject again. So you can see there is another color here. Okay. So if you observe, the market will not go down forever. So when you notice that there's a change of character is just like lower high. Now it's not started forming high, and you know that the trend has already changed. Since it's changing from a lower high to a higher high, there was first. Okay, let me just the first. These ones are called BOS. So where you see those ones, they are BOS. All these ones are BOS. This one's here. BOS is break of structure. So I told you when it's taking the lows, you keep on selling. Take the lows. So it's taking out the lows. This is your lower low. Took it out, came back. So you sell. Now I just want to show you this strategy, this change of character. So if you have been seeing, you can also say BMS. Some people say BMS or MBS, just like that. So BMS, it can be BOS or BMS. Then here there's a change of character.
Sorry, you said BOS is what?
BOS is break of structure. Or BOMS, you can say BMS, break of market structure, or break of structure. Everybody can call it the way they want. But just I just want to show you how to know that okay, the market is turning now, it's going up, so you should leave your sell and be buying now. You understand? So after noticing that okay, the market has changed from lower high to higher high, what do? Your new range, you check for your premium. So your premium will be in this region. How do you check for your premium? Using your 50%, your Fibonacci retracement tool to check for your premium. Half of this range, new range. So your range is just from here to here. Then you just use your Fibonacci to get the 50%, the half of it. You understand? The half of it. So when you see change of character, that means there was a BOS or BMS here, but it refused to sell at your premium. You know, you have been selling since, but it refused to sell at your premium. It now broke this last high, forming a new higher high. This high is higher than this high, so it's now a change of character. So you check for your 50%, take it, then okay, now to replace this one is just a giveaway. So this one I just want to tell you now is a giveaway. So can you all hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. So you don't just as you just calculated your 50%, you just want to enter, boom. No, you wait for it either retrace at your fair value gap or your void or your imbalance or the other block. Most times it comes to the other block. This one I have people that are in this class. Normally I don't want to teach this before, but since you're here, just learn this. It retraces back to your other block, fair value gap, void, or your imbalance. But I'll just talk about other block and fair value gap as giveaway. So after this BMS here and this change of character, you wait for it to come back to your other block. Your other block is so for a buy. Okay, I'm coming. So for this now, for example, this was your lower high, right? This was your lower high. Where will the market retrace to? It will retrace to an order block here. In the premium, you don't take other blocks in the discount. You take it in the premium for a sell trend, like for a downtrend. But for an uptrend, you know your premium is half of. Let me just use this. This is the range, right? So half of it now. Half of it should be here, somewhere here. So you look for other blocks and fair value gap and your void, and inside your premium for a sell. Why here you are looking at it for like your discount here at your discount. So what is this will now take us to the next phase. How to know? Okay, so for a buy, another block is just for a buy is a sell candle. is a sell candle just before this break. The last sell candle before this break, this change of character here, before this lower high change to this high, your last sell candle for a buy trend. Why for this? For a sell is the last buy candle. The last buy candle. So you just highlight the candle, and we'll go to our chart and see it. So you just highlight the candle, and why for a fair value gap? A fair value gap is just, okay, let me just use this now. A fair value gap is, let's say this is your first candle. Okay, then there are 3 candles like this. Come here. So there are 3 candles. Three candles like this, right? And then this, you're up. You can see this space here. This, if you look, this last, okay, let me just spot it. Irrespective of the candles, this one can be a candle, bearish candle, bullish, irrespective of it. So far, there's a space like this low and this high, in between 3 candles. This low and this high, there's a space like the body. Let me just show you from here to here. You understand? Let me use another color. Okay, so you can. So this space is a fair value gap. So this space here is a fair value gap. This space is a fair value gap. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If the 3 candles in line, the low of this one and the high of this one, if it's an uptrend, you can get it. So we'll go to our chart and look at it. Why for an order block? I told you for a sell is the buy candle just before this break. Then for a buy is the sell candle just before the break. For a buy is the sell candle before this break. So you look at sell candles here. So let's go to our chart and see something now. Okay. Let me just go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes and show you. Wow, we're going to analyze this now. Just want to. Okay, so let's start from here. Let's just start from here and analyze the market from this point. Let me increase this. So you can see that red line is where we are starting from, our analysis from. Or instead we should use, I'm thinking if we should use our trading view. One is better, easier to analyze here. So V100, let's go to this 100 and just this 100. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Can you see the chart? This one, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let's see. Let's go back. Let's just back test and see something. Okay. I'm looking for a clearer picture. Can even go to a higher time frame instead of staying here. Okay. So let's see if we can. Let's start from here. So looking at this at first, it was in an uptrend, right? It was going.
Yes, it's an uptrend, sir.
Uptrend. So I want to just show you how to trade. Okay, so when you see this break, what is this called? I said, what is it called after this break? BOS or BMS, anyone you call it.
Break of market. Break of market structure.
So,
okay.
So I want to just mark out those breaks, because I told you if it's on an uptrend, it will be taking out the highs. So these are the higher low. So it will be taking out these highs out. It will be taking out the highs. Then look at something here now. It now took out low. Can you see? It took out low instead of high. Now started taking out the low. So it changed direction there. That is the change of character we're talking about. Now started forming series of lower high, lower low. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
These ones are the internal structures. These ones are the minor. This one, the major structures. These ones are the minor structures inside. But we'll not talk about that today. I see. So, okay, let me just clean this and show you something. Those are minor structures. That's why it's not. Okay, so let's go from here. So after you see your break of
Guess so.
So after you see your break of market structure, where is your new range? Your new range is now from here to here. Can you see? It's now from here to here.
Yes.
So what are we doing? Because we're assuming that the market, there's nothing like from here to here, we're not seeing anything. Let me shade it. As you're assuming that we have not seen this region. We have not seen this region now. We have not seen this full place, this side. You understand? So
yes.
What do? You take your Fibonacci retracement tool. This is it, Fibonacci retracement tool, and you check for your 50%. That is half of it. That is just for measurement. So when you check for your 50%, what is the 50%? Is this one. It's not showing now. I don't know, but this is. I know that is the 50%. So after knowing your 50%, you can even delete it. And let's see it clearly. You understand? So did you get from here? Did you understand how to get the 50%?
Yes, I understand,
okay.
sir.
So blocks coming. So we are looking for other blocks. So we are not looking for other blocks in the discount. This is your discount. The up is the discount. Here is your premium. So we are not looking for other block in the discount. We are looking for this one. We will not take this one. So we are looking for other blocks. I told you it's a sell candle. If for a buy, it's a sell candle. So this first one, I'll just change the color real quick. So okay, I hope it's visible. So this first sell candle is the other block. Then this other one is the other block. Then the big one, the very last one, like you can see, most times it comes to the very last one. So this very last one, can you see the candle? This one I'm touching. Okay, let me use an arrow to explain. So this very last one here, this very last one, this one too. But you don't just take your trade, you don't just buy, boom. That's why I said people that just know 50%, buying at 50%, they will buy, they will take losses here. Look at losses, and their stop loss is just below here, sharp.
Yes.
But they will take losses. They will first take losses. They will lose here before it now enter profit, which is not the proper entry. You get so that, do you understand the other block?
Yes, I understand the other block.
So fair value gap, I want to just show you this one. Fair value gap, this place. Can you see it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So these three candles, one, you can see the body, you can see this high and this low. So that was why it retraced there. So you know that okay, it's either retracing there or retracing at the other block. So these are your two places. But if you wait for other block, it won't get there if you don't know fair value gap. You understand?
Yes.
Looking at this now, after this break of market, the last red candle was here. Most times it does not come back to the 50%, but most times it comes back because they want to take orders. But let's check this now from here to here and see if it came back. Okay, almost, yeah, that is the 50%. Yeah, it came back. Most times it must come back, like, and see the 50%. So most people that just put their orders at the 50%, they will get sniper, but they will get sniper entry here. But your other block, other block traders will know that okay, since this other block is at the 50%, it might hold, so they will just hold their trade. After this reconstruction now, there's now what to call okay. So after this low, I said something. I said after this, so those are your entries. Came back here. These are your entries. So you are waiting for price, but price now broke out this low. You understand? There was not a change of character. So let me just put it here. There was not a change of character here. So there was not a change of character there. That means lower low. That lower low was taken out. This lower low. Now started. Okay, formed lower low. And come here. And now this higher low. Yeah. So this higher low was taken out to form a lower low. There's not a change of character, you know. So look at this now. Here's our new range. Here's our new range.
Oh no, please, can you mute your screen?
You say what?
Please mute.
Oh no, your screen is
Mute.
mute your screen.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the range. This is your new range. So take your feed from here to the. So here's your 50%. Our 50% is here. Half of it. So let's delete the. So that is our 50%. If you look at where is the other block, other blocks on your. So this big candle first is your other block. And this one here, this small one is your other block.
Sorry, when you say other block, what do you mean by other block?
Okay, so other block, like I said, using after you see your break of market structure for a buy trend, the last set candle before the break is called another block, but that one is called the bearish. There's the bearish order block, there's the bullish. So for a buy trend, you know that it's the bullish order block they are talking about is to come back. But for a sell trend, it's the bearish order block. It's just a candle. It's just a candle. Order block is just a candle, but it's a after the break of market structure for an uptrend is the sell candle. You understand? For an uptrend. Why? Looking at this now, after I took this